story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, remote start, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.